and welcome to my studio at Podunk Hollow. I want to share with you today the LC Slicer unboxing, assembly, and application. I also want to say a big thank you to the Lucy Clay team at lucyclaystore.com. Not only was the shipping fast, but they also listen to the clay community and design premium products based on our opinions. So let's get started. This looks like the opening point. Box is open. Alright. We have a sealed bag. One box. And another sealed bag. Deep. Another box. Two boxes. Let's open the first one. Scissors on these too. Oh, look, the stickers. The grid and the user manual, LC Slicer. LC Slicer is used for cutting blocks made of polymer clay. And they've got some contact information here. So that's the user manual. Ah, a gift! I already do have all of the discs, but this is wonderful. These discs are great for the extruder, the check extruder. Just a wonderful tool as well. That is fun. All right. They're just a wonderful team. So which one to open first? Scissors again, so I dangerously run the blade next to my hand. Alright. I like the way it's all sealed, protecting it from any moisture along its journey from the Czech Republic. It's a long way to go, and it came very fast. So here's what's inside the first box. Oh, it's also got, is that a safety blade? Or a safety? It does, it comes with a little magnet to keep you more safe. And a very, very sharp blade on here. It's not for children. So there is the first part. Box is empty. Get over here with the packaging for now. And the next one. I'm not going to cut myself. Not today. hear a lot of metal in. Loose pieces. User manual. Keep that handy. And what's inside? Smaller parts. We've got the lubricant, which is great for these machines. And the small pieces looks like some screws, washers, things you don't want to lose. We'll find out what that is for later. The knob, and we'll find out about that too. And this is information about the angle base, which I do not have yet. I'm very interested in it though. Looks like it could do a lot of fun things. Put that up there. Okay. This is the sticker that goes along the plate, which is under here. Maybe this was not the sticker. Maybe this is just another gift. That's what it is. Ah, another gift. They've really given a lot of gifts in this package. I'm really happy with this company so far. Very nice. Very nice. All right. So here was what was in the bottom compartment of the second box. See it moves gently across. So the next thing I want to do is I want to look at the videos on their website and make sure that I know the right way to put this together. I don't want to mess anything up. This is a beautiful machine and I'm very excited to be getting to use it very soon. Right. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.